Two dice are rolled and we need to find the probability of getting a sum greater than 3. Let's think of all the possibilities where we can get a sum greater than 3. 2 and a 2, 2 on the first dice and 2 on the second dice. The sum equals 4, which is greater than 3. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 4, and so on up to 2 and a 6. Then a 3 and a 2, a 3 and a 3, and you realize that the list is really very long. So this is not the right approach. Here's a simpler method. We can write the probability of getting a sum greater than 3 as 1 minus the probability of getting a sum not greater than 3. This is interesting. What exactly did we do here? Probability of 1 covers all the possibilities, and we are just removing the possibilities where the sum is not greater than 3. So what we will be left with is all the possibilities with sum greater than 3, which is exactly what we want. Now this can also be written as 1 minus the probability of getting a sum less than or equal to 3. Not greater than also means less than or equal to. Now think of the possibilities where the sum is less than or equal to 3. There are only 3 such cases. 1 and a 1, 1 on D1 and 1 on D2. Sum is 2, which is less than 3. 1 and a 2 and 2 and a 1. These 2 cases are when the sum equals 3. Now you know why we did this? The possibilities in this case are way lesser as compared to the ones in the previous case. This probability will be 3 by 36. This can be written as 1 minus 3 by 36. 3 possibilities where the sum is less than or equal to 3 out of 36 total possibilities. This equals 33 by 36, which after being reduced to its simplest form equals 11 by 12. Think about it. If we would have solved it this way, we would have had to write 33 possibilities.